Hi and good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. My name is Clovin B. Bastasa, and today I'm excited to talk about something very close to my heart, which is our Filipino culture. As a Filipino culture, our rich tradition, values, and practices makes us who we are. But today, fast-paced world, we sometimes lose touch with these things. That's why I want to share three creative ways we can preserve our Filipino culture. Let's dig right in. First, we can revive traditional practices. For example, learning by buying our Asian Filipino script can be a fun way to reconnect with our roots. I recently tried writing my name in by buying, and it was such a cool experience. Another way is inspiring or participating or supporting our traditional Filipino dances like tinikling, singkil, and these dances aren't just art, they're stories of our heritage passed down through generations. Imagine organizing cultural workshops or dances classes in your community. It's a creative way to bring people together while preserving our traditions. And next way to highlight our Filipino is highlighting the Filipino cuisine. Now let's celebrate our Filipino cuisine. Our dishes like adobo, sinigang, and lechon are more than just food. They they are a taste of our history and identity. Why not try a Filipino food today with your family or friends? You can cook together and share stories and about how these dishes were passed down. Food has a magical way of connecting us to our culture. And lastly, let's support Filipino art and media. Whether it's watching a Filipino film, listening to OPM or original Filipino music, or buying handcraft items from local artisans, every little action counts. For example, have you ever watched General Luna or listened to Ben and Ben, which is our famous musician? These are the modern ways to experience our culture while supporting our talented artists. Remember, the more we appreciate and promote Filipino art, the more we keep our culture alive. And there you have it, three creative ways we can preserve our Filipino culture: reviving traditional practices, celebrating Filipino cuisine, and supporting local art and media. Our culture is a treasure, and it's up to us to keep it alive. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to thank you, sir, and mabuhay ang kulturang Filipino.